Welcome, automation enthusiasts. Think of a time when you do not want to type long email. Just say what you want and let our virtual assistant do the writing. EPSK, which stands for Email by Python Premium Skill, is a tool made with Python that listens and writes for you. It is super helpful for people who find typing hard or cannot read or write well. Additionally, if you are always busy at work, it can save you a lot of time. Our goal to make emailing simple and fast for everyone. I will show you how our mini program can help you. So let's get started. I will give you a brief demonstration on how to send an email using the EPSK Virtual Assistant. First, I will open EPSK program. Then, I will call upon Alex, our virtual assistant from EPSK, and provide him with instructions. Following those instructions, we will then send the email. Okay? So, let us start. Alex?
Hello, how can I assist you?
Alex?
Yes, I'm Alex from PSK, your dedicated virtual assistant. How can I assist you today?
Send email.
To whom would you like to send the email? Please spell the first part of the email address. Say skip to exit.
Mary John 1907.
You said, Mary John 1907. Is it correct?
Yes.
What content would you like to send in the email? Say skip to exit.
This email was sent using a virtual assistant.
You said, this email was sent using a virtual assistant. Is this the correct message to send to maryjohn1907@outlook.com?
Yes.
Email sent to maryjohn1907@outlook.com. What else can I assist you with?
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
As you can see, the email was sent successfully to our recipient. As we continuously strive to make EPSK better, your feedback is crucial. Please share your thoughts, suggest improvement, or recommend new feature. Every comment helps us offer an enhanced experience in the future. We look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.